Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that runs on a decentralized ledger. This means that no central authority is needed to control its value. Instead, its community determines its value by solving complex mathematical problems. The process for creating a cryptocurrency is called mining, and it requires the use of computer processing power. Once the cryptocurrency has been created, users can purchase it from brokers and store it in an encrypted wallet. While the original Bitcoin was created as a payment mechanism for the online world, many others have since emerged for a variety of other purposes. One of the most popular uses of cryptocurrency is for speculation. The concept of a virtual currency has become so popular that many mainstream companies are now evaluating its use in the supply chain. The future of cryptocurrency looks bright, but it has been a long road to get to this point. Cryptocurrencies can be classified as fungible or non-fungible. Fungible cryptocurrencies are those that can be duplicated and replaced, and non-fungible cryptocurrencies cannot. Bitcoin is a type of non-fungible currency, and the number of Bitcoins in circulation is limited to 21 million. Another great feature of cryptocurrency is its anonymity. Most transactions are linked to a wallet address, which is anonymous, while traditional transactions are linked to a person's name. This anonymity also makes it possible for the underserved to participate in the financial industry. But the downside is that you're exposed to various types of risks when you're a cryptocurrency investor. It's important to learn about the risks and rewards associated with this type of investment. The most common way to acquire cryptocurrencies is through an online exchange, such as Coinbase. But there are more ways to purchase them, such as buying them from private sellers and using an exchange to exchange them. Some crypto exchanges offer a wide variety of services and tools and don't require a huge investment. Before you invest in cryptocurrency, you'll need to determine the best way to store it. It is possible to keep the cryptocurrency in an exchange, or you can keep it in a digital wallet. Before investing in a cryptocurrency exchange, make sure to learn more about this option and talk to more experienced investors. And remember, success isn't guaranteed. Bitcoin is the most famous cryptocurrency. It's the first cryptocurrency, and it was developed by a mysterious hacker named Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies cannot be tampered with or copied. Because they are digital, they cannot be changed or counterfeited. It's also highly transparent, and because there's no middleman or central bank, you can get the money you need quickly and cheaply. Bitcoin is just one of the many cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of others, each of which claims to perform a specific function. For example, Ethereum's Ether is marketed as the gas of a smart contract platform, while Ripple's XRP is used by banks to facilitate payments. In comparison, fiat currencies derive their authority from the government and the Federal Reserve, while cryptocurrencies are free from any such governmental influence. A smart contract is a collection of data and code that executes without the need for human intervention.